You might think this is just another portfolio like everyone else, but no. If your video is talking head, faceless automation, multicam podcast, vertical video for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok or ads, then please stay with me. Whether you hear me or not, but you will get a huge ideas for an editor environment. Let's say you send me this folder with raw clips and requirements to edit. The first thing I do is review your requirements. Second, finding the best moments and trimming out the unnecessary parts. Third, audio cleanup. Removing background noises, balancing the levels, and making the voice crisp and clear according to the platform you will upload to. Fourth, it's time for color correction and grading. Fifth, inside Premiere Pro, I will handle B-roll and basic 2D animation. But if your video needs advanced motion design, then I will move the sequence to After Effects. Finally, it's time for sound design, transitions, and the final touches. So I will jump back into Premiere Pro to finish the video. I have crossed $40,000 on Upwork providing video editing service. Beyond that, I have completed a 2-year full-time contract worth $25,000 outside of Upwork. I have worked with over 6 reputed companies and completed more than 110 projects. Now I am going to break down 5 psychological relationship building methods I have used to create massive trust, credibility, and attract high quality clients. Now let's have a quick call or chat to discuss your project. Let's make it happen.